What is going on, everybody? My name is Jonathan and this is Gig Nation. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be looking at the FreeBird app, a sweet new app that can allow you to earn a ton of cash back on different offers. So we're going to look at the 4 different ways that you can start earning with this app today. But before we get into that, I'm going to show you how to download and set up the app real quick. It's very easy to do. So let's head over to the App Store. And as you can see, you just search the FreeBird app. Now, once we've clicked on that, we can start downloading. We're going to need to enter a little bit of personal information, our name, email address, phone number, driver's license info, and also which app we're going to be using. So I'm going to be using the Lyft app as a passenger. I like this over Uber. So I'm going to go ahead and connect my Lyft account with the app. And then once I've set up the app, I can go ahead and start earning some extra money with the app. Now, the first way to do that is to use a promo code. So I'm going to leave a link to my promo code down below, and you can easily get $5 of cash just for signing up with this promo code. Now, there's occasionally other promo codes out there. I currently don't have any, but I'll make sure to update those as follows and leave those down in the description as well. The second way to earn money using the FreeBird app is to actually just take Uber or Lyft rides through the app. So I signed up with my Lyft account, and I'm going to go ahead and show you an example of what that looks like. So I just click on the little icon, and then I can start looking for a ride just like I normally would through the Lyft app. Now, you need to make sure that you're actually taking rides through the FreeBird app, not through the Lyft app. And I can filter my destination. I can, see what type of car I want to rent. I can do a Lyft Lux, a normal Lyft, or a shared Lyft line if I'd like. And just by taking these Lyft rides through the FreeBird app, I'm now earning cash back, which I can later cash out straight to a debit card. The third type of offer and way to start earning cash back through the app is to buy food through restaurants that partner with the FreeBird app. So there's a bunch of restaurants out there that are actually offering cashback offers as well as points. Now, if I search local restaurants near me, I can find a bunch of them that are offering up to $4 just for shopping at their restaurant through the FreeBird app. So Tub Subs is one of my favorites in the area, and as you can see, you can get up to $4, just for buying food from them. Instead of normally buying food from them, you actually just buy food through the FreeBird app. Now, first, before you do this, you need to make sure that you link your payment card, your payment info through the app, and that way you can just directly pay like you normally would and redeem that offer. You don't have to take pictures of receipts. It's really easy to do. Now, the best offers are probably those cashback offers, but you can also earn points on other restaurants. So if there's a restaurant that you really like that isn't offering a cashback offer, you can easily just start accumulating points. And normally it's like 250 points. And then once you've accumulated up to like 5,000 or 10,000 in the app, you can easily cash that out and get that money sent to you. Now, the fourth way that you can easily earn money through the FreeBird app is by referring your friends. And I bring this up because this channel is a lot of gig economy and rideshare drivers. So if you're a Lyft or Uber driver, this is a great way to earn money for you because your passengers are the target market for the app. They can start earning money easily on the rides that they're taking through Lyft or Uber. So you might as well recommend this to them. You're doing them a favor. You're allowing them to earn that extra cash back on their rides, and you're also giving them your promo code so they get an extra $5 off when they sign up through you. And then you're earning right now what amounts to $10 for everyone that you refer to the app. A really easy way to start stacking a little bit of extra cash on the side. And once you've started earning in the app, you can easily cash out that money, and FreeBird app has partnered with Stripe, so they make it very easy just to get that money sent straight to your debit card. There's no hassle. You don't have to buy through the app with your points. You can actually earn cash that you can spend on whatever you'd like to spend it on. So if you start implementing this app today, there's a bunch of different ways that I've just given that you can earn that cash. Most of it's stuff that you're already going to be doing, so you might as well just earn a little bit of extra cash while you're doing it. And in my opinion, this is one of the better cashback apps out there because there's a bunch of other options that you can use. One of the more popular ones right now is Ibotta, but this app is cool because it allows you to make that extra cash also while you're doing Lyft and Uber rides. While you're going somewhere you would normally be going, you can get a little bit of extra cash for doing it. So it's that one extra option that really sets the FreeBird app above and beyond some of those other apps out there. If you've used this app before, let me know how the experience went for you, how easy it was to download and get it set up with your Lyft or Uber account. If you've used the restaurants, let me know as well, because I love getting as much input as possible from different people that have experimented with the app, how their experience has gone. It's a very high rated app, so it looks like people are really enjoying this app and all the different ways that it gives you to earn money and get some extra cash back. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and hit that like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel for more awesome gig economy and rideshare updates.